Hey Kipsters, let's tackle part B of this problem. So it says, is your answer reasonable? Round each number to the nearest 1,000 to estimate how many fans there are. So I heard in that problem that I'm going to be rounding so that I can estimate and figure out if my answer from part A is reasonable. And reasonable means I'm just checking to make sure that my actual answer makes sense. So in order to do this, the problem tells me I'm going to round each of my number of fans for the Jets and the Giants to the nearest 1,000. So first, let's start by rounding the number of Jets fans. So that I know from part A that exactly 77,098 fans watch the Jets game. Now I'm going to round to the nearest 1,000. So my first step is to what? You're right. Circle my rounding place. Now, I draw my arrow to the right. But to make sure I stay super organized, I'm going to draw in my place value line. Now, I know that I'm rounding to the nearest 1,000, so I'm going to check my thousands place. I've got a 7 in my thousands place, so it means I have 7,000. Don't forget the 7 10,000. Now, I could either have 7,000 or what would come next if I had enough hundreds? I would have 8,000. And again, Kipsters, don't forget to bring your 7 10,000. So now I need to decide, is 77,098 closer to 77,000 or 78,000? Where do I look to figure that out? You're right, exactly where my arrow is pointing, to the hundreds place. So I have 0 hundreds. So that makes me think, am I closer to 77,000 or 78,000? You're right.